In this tutorial, you will learn how to install the soft case accessory. Open the main soft case flap. Insert the printer. Position the flaps and secure the main flap. Interface ports. DC power connector. Battery compartment. Press the power button to start the printer. The shoulder strap may be attached to the soft case. Slide the strap through the D-ring, through the buckle, and over the strap retainer. The shoulder strap may be attached directly to the printer. Slide the strap through the post, through the buckle, and over the strap retainer.